Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create an outline in a photo. Attribution and link of image are located in my video description. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Enjoy watching. Let's get started. The first step is to open a photo you want to edit. Make a selection of the subject. You can use the quick selection tool. Or you can use select menu, subject with some retouching using these two brushes from the quick selection tool. Right-click on the subject, then select Layer via Copy. Right-click on the top layer, select Blending Options, Stroke choose, Size, 15 pixels, Position, Outside, Blend Mode, Normal, Opacity, 100%, Fill Type, Color, White. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like if you found this tutorial helpful.